Hey everybody, Don Dabney, Left Coast Classics, and I want to take you out in this Triumph. And actually, let me tell you a little story. We had this car in, I think, 2016. My friend John bought it, I think, from the original owner here in California, who had really completely restored the car, with one exception that I'm aware of. He didn't rebuild the engine. So when we had the car in 2016, it ran great, it drove great, it just was kind of tired, the engine. So we put the car up for sale, told him the engine was kind of at some point going to need to be rebuilt, but it seemed to be fine at the moment. And through my brother, and I think through a connection in the MG Club in Southern California, where I'm originally from, a lady calls and understands what the car is. She wants the car, and she buys the car from us. And she lives down, I think, Silicon Valley area. And she gets a car and she decides, you know, I'm just going to take it in and have the engine rebuilt preemptively and just get this done before it becomes a problem. So she had the engine rebuilt. We have a repair order here, which I think I'm going to post online. I think something around $3,000. Engine gets rebuilt, put back in the car, and then unfortunately she has a problem, I think, with her hip or something, and can't really drive the car. So now it's back. So now it's, you know, this car that had been restored years ago, but it's like gorgeous. And now it has a rebuilt engine, and so it's just a really terrific car. And let's take it out, take you on a little spin. And it's running great. I started a little bit earlier, that's why it's I didn't have to choke it or anything. I'm going to put my phone on quiet, and we'll take a little spin. But tons of power. The oil pressure reads up nice and high. You know, it's about 3/4 up when you're out, when you have the pedal down and you're driving it. Great oil pressure on a rebuilt engine. We have a working fuel gauge, working temperature gauge, voltmeters. All the gauges are in working order. Everything seems to be working great in the car as it was when we sold it. And the overdrive works. The overdrive is the bomb. It's great. Look at here, it just went into overdrive. So just a very, very nice car, pretty carpet, beautiful interior. It was a color change to Carmine Red when it was repainted years ago. They did a really great color change. It was originally a light blue, and but it was very professionally done color change, and the body's beautiful. Watch the video to the end, and I do a little magnet test where I walk around the car with it on a lift, and I show you not only the undercarriage, but a magnet on each panel. All right, there you have it. So anyway, if you have any questions, give me a call. Check us out on leftcoastclassics.com. You're probably already up at our booming YouTube channel. 6.5 million views already. I couldn't believe it. And see us on Wheeler Dealers. 2 episodes, season 11 and 15, both episode 8. We're on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and all the other usual suspects. All right. See ya. All right, heading underneath the TR6. Just very, very original, rust-free. It's pretty tidy under there. Hasn't been detailed or anything. This right here was a factory correct floor panel that was put in there, I think, when they were doing the interior and the restoration on it. That's it. Other than that, it's all factory. And what I really like here is just these inner rockers and everything are really good. There's just no rust, no rot. Nice frame. Very clean, very uncompromised. You can see it over there. We get a little glare on this side of the rack at this time of day. But same over there. Good shape. Really good shape. Coil over. Springs and shocks. Nice suspension on this. It's a cool setup. You can see it back here. There it is. All right, so here I just kind of like to do the magnet thing, show you how nice the body is. Just sticks everywhere. A quintessential California car. As we all know, these lower panels can get quite rust-filled over the years. Again, with a lot of filler, and this car is just confirms what I was told the last time I had it. California car, rust-free. There you go. We'll just come back and show you these lowers. These, of course, have the undercoating on them, which is typical. But same thing here. It's sticking. There you go.